Hi guys, it's Bobby with eTech. Today I'm going to go over the quick setup of these alcohol squeeze bottle with needles. This newer version is a little bit different, but works a lot of the same way as the older version. It actually has two ways to function. So here's one of the bottles. I'm going to unscrew the lid. You have this little stopper piece. You can take that out, take the needle out. You can use it like this to get more alcohol out at a time, but the standard way that's normally used. So you put that little stopper back on. You need to take the cover off the needle. You're then going to put the needle onto the this little inner piece right here. You're going to slide the needle through this top piece. Make sure you align it. Screw that on, and there it's set up. This one already has some alcohol in it. This is a different version, but if you look at the two, they're very similar. This one actually has a little bit more capacity than the other one. Just a different version, but as far as use case, since I have you guys here, quick demo of it. It's great for taking out batteries, especially on iPhones. Just run some alcohol along the sides of the battery. It'll get inside those battery strips. You take some tweezers and start pulling on that, and it should come out a lot easier than if you just use heat or nothing at all. Hope this video helped, and that's it for today. Thanks.